is up, Sneak Geeks? It's your boy Sneaker Life back with another video, and these are the Air Max by Sean Wotherspoon. If you don't know who that is, he works for Round 2, one of the owners. Sean's a cool guy, but you know, a lot of people aren't feeling these. Like, honestly, some people just don't like them. Bro, did you see what actually happened to that lady? Like, her nose started bleeding and everything?
That's not the right clip. That's not the right clip.
I'm hyped on these, man. I actually talked to Sean today, and these are dropping in Colorado. They should be a GR, so if you do like them, these should not be too hard to get. I mean, as of now they are, but this is a lot of this is a friends and family pair. But for the most part, it should be pretty easy to get. So if you like it, man, you should be straight. I believe they're gonna drop on like March 26th, 27th, sometime in March. But overall, just like a super, super dope shoe, man. I love the colors that he chose, and even just down to, you know, just the Velcro straps. Now, I know that the friends and family pair has a specific box. What else? They got like special patches.
Friends and family pair comes with that yellow bag as well.
Damn, the regular release ain't even come with that?
I don't think so, and it comes with a little smiley face.
Wow.
Sorry, guys.
No bag, you won't get the bag, or you won't get the smiley face patch, which is right here. Which, damn, really does kind of suck. But yo, this is a super, super dope pair of shoes. This shoe is just super, super clean. And especially during the summertime, just to be able to pull this out, or maybe you want to just, you know, keep them on the down low for a little bit and then pull them out. It's just a fire shoe. Retail's even going to be $160, so you really can't go wrong with that. I mean, as we get closer to the dates, I'll update you guys. If you want to follow me on Twitter at Mike the Compass, and also follow my dudes Moon and Matt. Their Instagrams will be down below. Shout out to Matt for letting me use his shoes. I'll see you guys next one. It's your boy Sneaker Life. Run it.
Hands in the air now.